If you're thinking about moving retirement funds into a gold IRA, there's one mistake you really want to avoid: taking possession of the funds yourself. That one move can accidentally trigger taxes or even penalties from the IRS. Here's the part most people miss. When you transfer funds into a gold IRA, it has to be a trustee to trustee transfer. That means the money moves directly from your current retirement account to the new one without you ever touching it. The setup and pricing info PDF from Augusta breaks this down into a simple three-step process. Step 2 shows that your new IRA custodian actually requests the transfer for you, so there's no risk of accidentally triggering a taxable event. That's how you keep your transfer 100% tax-free and compliant from day one. Augusta includes this guide as part of their Gold IRA Ultimate Guide, which bundles 8 helpful PDFs. Each one walks you through a different piece of the process, from fees to buybacks, so you know what to expect at every step. You can download the full Gold IRA Ultimate Guide completely free. It's beginner friendly and gives you a clear, pressure free way to explore your options. If you're planning a tax free transfer, this is a great place to start. The link's down below.